The education program here at Columbia College is amazing because it gives students hands-on and real-life experience while they're also learning theory and education information. Students are working with teachers who are from the field and who have had real-life experience in classrooms, and so that helps them bring that knowledge into the classes that the students are taking.
Loved my time. It was incredible. I had teachers that were actual administrators that are in the field right now, and that made all the difference.
There is that option to do online or in-seat or both. I have gone online just with starting a family and teaching full-time. It made it so I was able to do all of my coursework after my son went to bed, and has just made it very simple for my life to make sure I can pursue my dreams while also still living life.
Columbia College has a partnership with Columbia Public Schools. We have a tuition waiver program, and so they were encouraging educators to go and work on their master's degree.
The benefits of earning a master's degree are long-term. This is something that will help teachers throughout their entire career. First of all, they learn more theory, they learn more knowledge that helps them in the classroom, but also it improves the trajectory and the options that they have in their teaching careers.